Lights are now at 80%. Lights at 60%. And just going continuously down. 35.
35. That's 30.
30. 25. 20. 15. 10. Now hang on just a second. 10%. Still panning. Just showing that a few of those are still barely on. Okay, thank you, Freddie. And once the lights are turned back up, we noticed that after dimming down to 10%, 2 light bulbs did not come back on.
Looks like for this one, we're going to take it out, then go ahead,
Okay.
and then pop it off and
Unscrew it. Take it out. Put it back in.
and it worked.
It works. Now, do you want me to take it out and put it back in? Again?
Yeah.
I mean,
Why not? I don't think these samples are long for our world.
I heard something again. I heard a pop.
Yeah, it's like it arcs electricity or something.
Yeah, something's going on with that. And there we
Okay,
go.
it's not
Okay.
gonna work.
I think we've proven that.
Okay, that's, yep. Now, it worked fine when we unscrewed it, unplugged
Yes.
it, and then screwed it back in. It worked
Yeah.
fine.
It's just something.